interview about modernized society and industrial environment.
One question for 5 different person. In your opinion, how does modern technology influence society and industry? First, interview Irma Katubig.
Hello sir, good morning sir. Pwede ka naman ma-interview sir? Pwede po. Una sir, sino mo pangalan nila sir? Diyan nag-rep direct ng dispensary sir. Aring question nila sir, in your opinion, how does modern technology influence society and industry? In my own opinion, ang technology sa atin yung industry is so kapadali na lang mga obras ng tao through technology. Example, ang mga pangunguma gagamit na ng traktura. Tapos muna nga mapadali na lang nila obra para sa ang technology is 48 man doon gamiton ng mga tao para mapadasig ng mga obra. Technology. Thank you sir.
Second interview Irma Bay.
Ma'am, good morning ma'am. Pwede ka naman ma-interview?
Good morning, yes sir.
Pangalan ma'am?
Gladys Gustilo.
Ako gali si Vice Mark Justin Ronel ma'am from BS Cream 3C. Ang amon gali question ma'am is, in your own opinion, how does modern technology influence society and industry?
Okay. As we know, ang technology subong galaganap manggid siya like sa mga olobraon like sa Jollibee may mga na sila robots. So it helps man sa industry ta kay mapadasig ang obra, but may siya, may lain siyang effect sa atong society kay imbes nga ang tao ang maobra, ang gakatabunan nato sang mga modern technologies, anay nga ang tao na lang balatan ang mag-obra sina hindi na ta makagiho, like feel ko ang technology na lang ang gagiho sa subong generation. May siya may advantage siya kay syempre mapadali aton obra din makabulig siya sa aton. Ang disadvantage naman niya kay ang mga tao wala na sila sa obra. Paano makakaon ng tao if wala sila sa obra, wala sila sa income kay ada na tanan sa robot. Okay na.
Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Third interview Irma Bustamante.
Interview. Our question is, in your own opinion, how does modern technology influence society and industry?
Ang influence ng modern technologies sa society kag sa industry is like nagbulig ni siya para maging hapos bala ang transportation, tapos nag-help man ni siya sa mga student para maging easy ila ng pagtuon kag naging helpful sa mga tao para maging mahatag ang basic needs like mag-contact sila sa pamilya nila sa layo. Para sa akin ang influence ng modern technology.
Thank you ma'am.
Kaya ka-interview ka rin ma'am?
Yes.
So, ang mga question is, in your opinion, how does modern technology influence society and industry?
Okay, pwede unahan ang society?
Pwede na.
Okay, sige. For me, in my own opinion, there are two effect na siya, sir?
Ma'am, influence.
Influence. There are two types, which is bad and good. So, first, good siya and society because in terms of communication, na makakommunicate ka dayon, and in terms of need mo ang answer, for example, in your research, makita mo siya unlike before na ng reading video ang ang basa sa subong. Ang advantage nila duwa is namin sa society kay magamit mo siya anytime, makakommunicate ka anytime, but may bad nga influence magyapon, which is ma-overuse ka or sa other term is overuse. Hindi, sorry. Nabalang overuse ka, wala disiplina ang imo kaugalingon sa like cellphone consider also sa mga bata as part of society, which is need ang guidance as parents kag inang avoid man sa ila to hindi maka-influence sa ila mental health and physical. So sa industry naman, makapanami or mapadali ang improvement sa isa ka industry kung may technology, unlike sa before nga manumano na medya ang paghimo bala. So subong madali naman siya galing kaya mo lang na may good and bad pagyapon, may advantage and disadvantages in terms sina. So depende na siguro sa aton kung paano tayo discipline atong kaugat.
Pwede ka lang mag-represent.
Okay, so,
person, sino yung mga pangalan sir?
so I am faculty of College of Criminal Justice Education. My study is Matrika. So, okay.
This is the question. In your opinion, how does modern technology influence society and industry?
So, once again, good afternoon. So, I would like to answer my opinion according to the latest trends, which is the AI or the AI-generated apps that can help people. According, we have ChatGPT programs from which is useful for research purposes, and that also need for we can easily to get more information according to our thesis. For example, we need to conduct some thesis, so it is easy to find reliable answers to the ChatGPT. And also we have modern technology, which some of the equipments that improves our technology, especially we are easily now to access like any machine or equipment in times we need help. So that is my opinion. Okay, so that's thank you.
Fantastic.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Bayones Renari, and I am the one who assigned to give a conclusions based on their answer of our respondents. Based on their answer, we conclude that modern industry have a crucial impact on our society and environment. As a result of new and evolving equipment, they stated the positive and negative effect. The positive is our life. It makes new technology makes our life easier, and the negative is the new generations is really to the new technologies like computers or their cell phone internet. They are really to get information, and also more people are going to jobless because of the machine. Nowadays machine is more demand than people, and they're stated also that from the printed books, now the students are more easier to access by using phones, and also from the old cultivations of farming using carabaos, they use now tractors and etc. So we can see there have negative and positive effects the social the modern society to our modern industry to our society and our environment. See that not only people looks for the positive but also for the negative happening or the impact of modern industry or modern society to our environment. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.